Hey friends, welcome to Nadia's Crafty Corner. And today we present you with this adorable wreath kit that you can purchase with the gingerbread man or with the stocking. You get everything in the kit that you need to make the wreath, including the ready-made bow. So we'll start with all the greenery already cut to pieces. You attach the bow and whatever attachment you chose. And then we're going to start filling in with the green. What you can do with the green is really entirely up to you. You get a few different pieces already cut to size. We like to follow what we call a triangle method, so we keep everything nice and even. We don't go too high. We got to keep in mind the size and the shape of the wreath. While I continue showing you how to insert the greenery and the holly and everything else, I also would like to mention to you that the attachment can be placed anywhere you want. So if you want it above, if you want it in the center, however you prefer the attachment, it's entirely up to you. I wanted to place it next to my bow because the ribbon that we are using for the bow was my inspiration for that adorable attachment. So it matches perfectly, including where the trim is. If you wanted to put the candy cane, it's the stocking, it's the same technique that we will be using. You will get the greenery, but you're also going to get some picks. So while you watch me insert all the greenery, I'm going to explain to you so it doesn't get too confusing. For the gingerbread attachment, I placed all the picks on the wreath itself. If you choose the kit with the stocking, you can very well place all the picks on the stocking itself without putting it into the wreath, and it looks very pretty. You'll see me showing it. I just didn't want to talk over it because it might be a little too fast. If you want to watch the full tutorial on this, please, you can definitely go to my Facebook channel and you can watch the entire video. Those are the pics. Look how pretty they are. And again, if you're using the gingerbread, you can insert them as you're going to see me do in the wreath. But if you're using the stocking, there we go. I'm showing you right now. You can place them on the stocking itself and it looks adorable, doesn't it? So pretty. So you have a couple of different choices of which way you can place the attachments. And look how lovely it's all coming together. This is a beautiful kit, even as a gift. And it can also be perfect for your home decor. It's a beautiful primitive style with different picks. And again, the picks, we try to use the triangle method. Sorry, I lost my words. However, you can place them whatever you best like them. There is really no definite rule. And there you have it, friends. That beautiful gingerbread, primitive looking, rustic wreath. You also get to see how we make our pretty snowman wreath. Now, this one is really more of a Christmas but also winter wreath. Definitely can stay up after Christmas as it has a very pretty snowman attachment. Or you can use this pretty Rudolph But this is what we are going to use today. Again, I love to coordinate my ribbons. Actually, my ribbons are my inspiration for all the attachments that we make. And again, all the kits and attachments can be found in my Etsy shop. Please go check the link in the description of this video. And I would appreciate that. And I would also appreciate if you give us a follow on YouTube. So the snowman is not a kit, but if you are interested to have it as a kit, please let me know, and I will definitely see what I can do. And again, we start with greenery that we place all around because we want all the pieces of our wreath to look like they belong together. Of course, we are going to put in some pretty berries. I am using a pick that comes with these twirly, pretty swirls, and I did take it apart because I didn't want it as a chunk. So if you buy something that has 4, 5, 6 different picks, feel free to take it apart because it does look beautiful as you sporadically insert it here and there in your project. So whenever I go to the store and I choose my picks, my sprays, my swirls, or whatever I want in my wreath, I always make sure that I use everything that I purchased out of the branch or the bush that I buy. I don't want to be left over with 2 or 3 little pieces that I might not be able to match. So I carefully go around the entire wreath and slowly add on all the little pieces here and there. And here are our berries. So this is a beautiful, perfect winter wreath that you can keep up all winter long. Now, another thing I would like to mention, friends, I think I forgot, you don't have to purchase the kit to get the attachment. They can be purchased separately. If you purchase the kit, the attachment will come with it, but you can also buy, let's say, the hat separately or the gingerbread separate. And here is our finished project. Look how pretty, simple, rustic. This is our other project that we made together. This is the kit, don't forget. But you can also buy the gingerbread separate. Or you can buy the stocking. And here we go. I think I'm going to show you again what it looks like with the picks. Hope you enjoyed. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. And if you want to come and watch what else we can create, follow us on Facebook, Nadia's Crafty Corner.